Hi everyone, every 2 and every 3, you are not there, but you're here, so stay tuned. My name is Altemi N. Migullas from grade 12 ABM Jacma, and today we're going to do a vlog about the book review regarding The Woman with Two Novels. Before we start this book review regarding the story or the book, The Woman with Two Novels, let us first know the author behind or the writer behind this beautiful book. The writer of the story The Woman with Two Novels is Nicomedes or Nick Marquez Joaquin. Nick Marquez Joaquin was a Filipino writer and journalist best known for his short stories and novels in the English language. He also wrote using the pen name Quijano de Manila. Joaquin was conferred the rank and title of National Artist of Philippines for Literature. And he was born in Manila May 4, 1917. Apparently, he died at San Juan, April 29, 2004. Now, I will tell you the story about The Woman with Two Novels. And the lesson that I have learned at the same time is, would I recommend this book for you to read? And at the same time is the beautiful concept of The Woman with Two Novels. By that, let's get into this video. I will give you a context regarding The Woman with Two Novels. Originally, The Woman with Two Novels is published in 1961 as a standalone novel. The Woman Who Had Two Novels is the story of Connie Escobar, who experienced hallucinations, and her delusions made her conduct to notion that she had two novels or belly button. It's a novel that explores the complexities of identity, history, and personal relationship. It also tells the story of a Filipina named Connie Escobar who returns to Manila after living in Hong Kong for several years. Connie is haunted by her family's past, particularly the stories of her ancestors, and then the country's colonial history. She meets a colorful cast of characters, including a wealthy businessman named Macho, who becomes obsessed with her, and revolutionary leader named Pepe, who offers her a chance to join his cause. So as Connie delves deeper into her family's history and her own identity, she begins to unravel the truth about her two novels in her belly. So the two novels in her belly, physically anomaly, represents her dual identity as both Filipino and the product of colonialism. So as Connie takes by her journey, Joaquin tackles complex themes such as the struggle for national identity, the legacy of colonialism, and the search for personal meaning and purpose. The novel is a powerful exploration of the Filipino psyche and the struggles of individual and collective identity in the face of turbulent history. So that is my brief explanation regarding the flow of the story of The Woman with Two Novels. Apparently, this book is a fictional story of a Filipino woman who believes that she has two novels. It is widely considered as a classic in Philippine literature as well. But this also book is divided into 5 chapters. Yes, it is divided by 5 chapters, and apparently these chapters are the Paco, the Macho, the La Vidal, the Chinese Moon, and then the Dr. Monsoon. So my analysis regarding this book that I have just read is the conflict between reality and fantasy is a central theme within the story The Woman Who Had Two Novels. This appears, or this conclusion or analysis appears when Connie tells Pepe at the beginning of the novel that she has two novels, and Pepe believes her. At the same time, this story depicts also the parent and child relationship, as the novel is concerned with generational differences, or The Woman Who Had Two Novels pays close attention to the relationships between the parents and the children. My analysis also regarding this book is that it's all about post-colonial Filipino identity, or the search for identity within a post-colonial cultural context is another dominant theme for The Woman Who Had Two Novels. So the moral story that I have encountered or learned regarding this book review or regarding the book that I've shared to you is that you may experience internal conflict when you have a struggle, and at the same time, the parts of your identity within your past and how you connect them into your future. This tension can stem for cultural or familial or personal challenges as well. So that is the main moral story or main idea that I have learned from this book review that we did today. I would like to recommend to you this book, The Woman with Two Novels, because it encourages readers to reflect on the complexities of personal identity and the dangers of living in denial and the importance of understanding oneself with the large context of your culture and past history. I hope that I gave you a knowledge regarding this book of Nick Joaquin, and I hope that I can encourage you to read this one-of-a-kind book literature that is made by one and only Nick Joaquin. Before I end my vlog, I want to end it with a quote that the book is like a gift that you could open again and again. It is like a treasure that you must treasure and nourish and share to others and spread it as well. I hope you like this video and I hope that you gain much more knowledge about The Woman with Two Novels.